Today we're going to talk about the Huawei Mate 70 RS Ultimate, which is a luxury flagship smartphone. In this video we will discuss every feature and specification in detail, so make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel in body and design. First, let's talk about its design and build quality. The Huawei Mate 70 RS Ultimate has dimensions of 164.6 by 79.5 by 8.3 millimeters and weighs 251 or 256 grams, which gives it a premium feel. The phone's frame is made of titanium alloy, and the front is protected with glass. This phone is also IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant. Now let's talk about the display. This phone features a 6.9-inch dual-layer LTPO OLED display. Its peak brightness is 3500 nits, making it easily visible even in direct sunlight. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which ensures a smooth scrolling and gaming experience. Additionally, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast, accurate, and perfect for securing your data. Platform and performance. This phone runs on Harmony OS 4.3, which is a smooth and efficient operating system. It is powered by Huawei's Kirin 9020 chipset, making it perfect for gaming and multitasking. Memory and storage. The phone comes in two variants: 512GB storage with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage with 16GB RAM. However, it does not support a memory card, which might be a downside for some users. Cameras. Now let's talk about the cameras. The rear camera setup features three lenses: a 50-megapixel wide-angle lens with adjustable aperture, f1.4, f4.0 OIS support, a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom and OIS, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 120-degree field of view. You can record videos in 4K and 1080p resolution with HDR, gyro EIS, and OIS. The front camera is also impressive. It features a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens along with a TOF 3D sensor for depth and biometrics. The front camera also supports 4K video recording. For connectivity, it includes NFC, an infrared port, and stereo speakers, but it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. The USB Type-C 3.1 port supports OTG and DisplayPort 1.2. Battery and charging. Talking about the battery, it has a 5700 mAh Size-C battery. This phone supports 100 watts wired, 80 watts wireless, and 20 watts reverse wireless charging. Additionally, it can also be used for 18 watts reverse wired charging. Friends, the Huawei Mate 70 RS Ultimate is a high-end smartphone with a luxurious design and powerful features. If you're looking for a premium and reliable smartphone, this phone can be a perfect choice for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Allah Hafiz.